Namaskaram and Swagatam to my channel, Fluent in Malayalam. Hope all you are doing great. Today, we are going to learn some words used to point out things. And in Malayalam, we call those words as chutteഴുത്തുകൾ because it is used to point out, which is ചൂണ്ടിക്കാണിക്കുക in Malayalam. So it is called chutteഴുത്തുകൾ. So let us learn those words today. So first word we are going to learn is ഇത്. ഇത്. ഇത് means this. This. And we are going to learn a short phrase example here. ഇത് വേണോ? ഇത് വേണോ? Want this? ഇത് വേണോ? Want this is the meaning. The other word is അത്. അത് is that. That is അത്. Short phrase example is അത് എവിടെ? അത് എവിടെ? Where is that? Where is that? അത് എവിടെ? Next word is ഇവിടെ. ഇവിടെ. ഇവിടെ means here. Here. ഇവിടെ വാ means ഇവിടെ വാ means come here. ഇവിടെ വാ come here. അവിടെ. അവിടെ is there. അവിടെ is there. അവിടെ പോവരുത്. അവിടെ പോവരുത് means don't go there. അവിടെ പോവരുത്. Okay. Next is ഇപ്പോൾ, or colloquially you can hear people saying ഇപ്പോ. ഇപ്പോൾ or ഇപ്പോ means now. Now. In this example, it is ഇപ്പോൾ സമയം എത്ര? ഇപ്പോൾ സമയം എത്ര means what is the time now? ഇപ്പോൾ സമയം എത്ര? അപ്പോൾ. അപ്പോൾ. More colloquially, it is അപ്പോ. അപ്പോ means then. Then. അപ്പോൾ കണ്ടു. അപ്പോൾ കണ്ടു. So then. So then. അപ്പോൾ കണ്ടു. ഇന്ന്. ഇന്ന് is today or this day. Today or this day. അന്ന്. അന്ന് is that day. അന്ന് is that day. And see this example. ഇന്നത്തെ സൗകര്യങ്ങൾ അന്ന് ഇല്ലായിരുന്നു. ഇന്നത്തെ സൗകര്യങ്ങൾ അന്ന് ഇല്ലായിരുന്നു means today's facilities was not there during that days. ഇന്നത്തെ സൗകര്യങ്ങൾ അന്ന് ഇല്ലായിരുന്നു. So ഇന്ന് is not used to denote only today. It means this day, this time, like that. And anna denotes that day or that time. Okay. So what did you learn from seeing these examples? All these words are used to point something. And when it is closer to the point of reference, it might be time, place, or even people. We are coming into that. But if it is closer to the point of reference, it starts with E. E. If it is distant to the point of reference, it starts with A. A. Here, these words E and A can be used to point out things. See the example. E veedu. E veedu means this house. E veedu, this house. A veedu. A veedu means that house. E veedu, this house, and a veedu, that house. So something is close to the point of reference or is closer to you, then you say this. So E. E. And if it is that, it is a. A. Now think about all other examples we just learned, or all the words we just learned, so you will be able to connect it that way. Now we have got some more other words. Let us see that. ഇങ്ങനെ. ഇങ്ങനെ. Like this. Like this. Example is ഇങ്ങനെയല്ല. ഇങ്ങനെയല്ല. Not like this. ഇങ്ങനെയല്ല. അങ്ങനെ. അങ്ങനെ. Like that, or in like that manner. Like that. അങ്ങനെ. അങ്ങനെ പറയരുത്. അങ്ങനെ പറയരുത് Don't say like that. അങ്ങനെ പറയരുത്. Don't say like that. ഇങ്ങനെ അങ്ങനെ. ഇങ്ങോട്ട് ഇങ്ങോട്ട്. Towards this direction. Towards this direction. ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വരേണ്ട ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വരേണ്ട means don't come here. ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വരേണ്ട or don't come in this direction. അങ്ങോട്ട് അങ്ങോട്ട് towards that direction. Towards that direction. അങ്ങോട്ട് നേരെ പോവൂ അങ്ങോട്ട് നേരെ പോവൂ. Go straight in that direction. Go straight in that direction. ഇവർ 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 means they. In English, it is they is the only word we can use to represent, but more precisely we can use these people. Ivar, ivar, these people. Our is those people, those people. Our. The example I have taken is ഇവരും അവരും തമ്മിൽ ചേരില്ല. ഇവരും അവരും തമ്മിൽ ചേരില്ല. These people and those people don't get along well together. These people and those people don't get along well together. ഇവരും അവരും തമ്മിൽ ചേരില്ല. Okay, so ഇവർ അവർ. ഇവ ഇവ means these. Iva means these. I would say this is a plural pronoun, and in order to mention an example here, suppose we are talking about birds or we are writing about birds. We mentioned about that in a previous sentence, and then we are starting these birds. A different sentence is starting these birds. Instead of that, in Malayalam you can use iva. So that means you were referring to these birds. And there is ava. Ava means those. And in like this, the using these birds, you can use those birds and then start your sentence with ava. So that means you are referring to those birds you mentioned in the previous sentence. So this is plural pronoun, so that you need not repeat the same noun again and again in the sentence. Okay, so iva, ava. You can use it when the objects we are mentioning is more than one number. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned a lot of new words. And if you'd like the video, hit on that like button and share so that more people can know about this. And if you're watching this channel for the first time, or if you have not subscribed to this yet, please do subscribe. Thank you. Namaskaram.